Independence Day was celebrated in your school. District Magistrate, Dr. Shweta Rana was the chief guest. Write a report on the function in 150 to 200 words describing all the activities that took place. You are head boy, head girl. Celebration of Independence Day. 16th August, 2024. The morning of 15th August this year at Sunshine Public School was a burst of colors of patriotism. The school was decorated considering the elements of the tricolor. The chief guest was the district magistrate, Dr. Shweta Rana. The program started with the diya lighting ceremony and proceeded with a welcome song. Then the flag hoisting ceremony took place with the mass singing of the national anthem. After this, various kinds of dance from different states of the country were presented. Some of the very heart-touching acts dedicated to the soldiers and the brave freedom fighters were also presented in a beautiful way. The program ended with a great speech from our respected principal. He appreciated the discipline of the students and the members present there. We hope to see such programs in the future too.